Hello, I am Whitney Jones, Digital Platform Specialist for Savannah Chatham County Public School Systems, and this is my Reflection ISTE Certified Educator portfolio. My learners are all adult learners that are classified as certified staff within Savannah Chatham County Public School Systems. I'm able to serve them as a induction coach. I also have the opportunity to train them with technology. Most of my people that I have are international teachers that I get to assist with. And so my primary role is to really just help them ease into the induction phase in whatever skill set. So if they need help with classroom management, instructional planning, and I also get to assist with technology. In addition to that, I also get to host classes and professional development where I can help them virtually or in person. I also have the capacity where I get to host classes with the Georgia TAP program, which is where the teachers are getting their certifications, and I teach the instructional technology course. The culture of professional learning within our school district ranges on the teacher, grade level, school situation. Most teachers that you see in this image here have signed up for this class that I was hosting to learn more about technology. So it is not as large amount of teachers signing up for technology courses as it was during COVID. Back now, it's dwindling to those low numbers as it was prior to COVID. Prior to COVID, the district, I could come into a classroom to help a teacher and I could see posters on top of a ViewSonic board, which is a smart board, or I could see a laptop used as a paperweight, and technology was not used as much. But sending out weekly newsletters and spreading the word and showing them how to easily integrate technology using the SAM-R model has really helped improve the culture of educational technology within the district, one teacher at a time. I am currently not assigned to a school, but I'm currently assigned to 62 schools throughout the Savannah Chatham County Public School systems. So, with that being said, I am more so of the person of leadership that is pushing, utilizing the ISTE standards out to the educators for them to implement in their classrooms. I get to do this by hosting an instructional technology course with the Teach Savannah Learning Academy. This is with a group of teachers who are working towards their professional certification as a teacher, and they have to pass this course before getting that license. And so within that course, I'm able to cover many things such as 4Cs and dive into certain technology tools and align certain standards with those tools. And the teachers also have opportunity to research these tools and provide the standards that matches with it. In addition, I also teach at Kennesaw State University, where the leader of the innovation School of Innovation and Technology, they have a personalized learning endorsement class that they have me teaching, but it supports many of the ISTE standards within that course. So I wasn't able to create in that course, but I was able to host it and launch the material that's embedded. But whenever I am working with the teachers in trainings and also within both of these courses, I make sure to introduce whatever professional development opportunity with the standard that's being covered for that day. And so that helps them have some metacognition so they can know when to start their lesson. They'll need to also use a standard too, which is their content standard. And with me being the digital platform specialist, technology will always be my standard. So the ISTE standard is my go-to to utilize when I'm hosting these trainings to link the content and the standard with the topic for the day. Other than ISTE, the other professional development opportunities that I'm a part of that allows for me to be exposed to ISTE standards is also the Google Certified Trainer Program. We get to explore how to utilize the tools, and they're also identified within ISTE and how they are supported and how we can use those tools to support those standards. In addition, I am receiving my online teaching endorsement, which covers a few ISTE standards and online best practices to use with technology and how to use certain technology for certain things that you wish to develop within the students. What type of product would you like for the students to create? And it helps us explore all of those different 4Cs within technology, and this aligned to some ISTE standards. In addition, I'm a ViewSonic expert where they also do best practices utilizing ISTE standards as well. They address a lot of those things with working with outside presenters. They also deal with exploring students' creativity and nurturing their creativity and several other standards that are embedded within the ViewSonic program. So I really love everything that I'm a part of, and that it's a full circle of utilizing the ISTE standards to set the standard for all of the topics covered, and state that how all of these things are interconnected. So I have used the ISTE standards to really help create and craft my instructional technology course that I cover that helps these teachers get their certification. So in the top example, this was a product for my students who researched Nearpod and WordWall. This student was able to list some design content standards in addition to listing the ISTE standard that is related to it as well. So beyond me creating the material on my class with ISTE standards, I also have the teachers exploring those ISTE standards. And in the bottom corner, I use ISTE standards to also guide me in my teaching practices and showing the creativity and modeling creativity when I'm addressing certain topics. So in that course, I did have them create animations. And so I made sure to create my animation first for an exemplar and then hold sessions where they can get animation assistance and I can show them the tool, and then they could create their own animations where I kind of guide them with the rubric and let them create on their own. So ISTE really has helped me in regards to making sure that I'm following all the components that allow someone or a teacher to really practice and hone in into their instructional technology needs. Two artifacts that I am extremely proud of are the courses slash boot camps that were made with blood, sweat, and tears, and me burning the midnight oil for a very long time creating this material. So my Google Bootcamp course was created to provide the teachers the opportunity to explore the Google suites, and once they were able to complete this course, they could be Google Level 1 certified educators, and they also have the opportunity to join the Level 2 educator as well. So within that, they were able to select if they would like a self-paced course where they created it at their own level, or completed it at their own level, or they could attend weekly meetings with me and I can guide them and show them how to create each tool or how to utilize each tool, and then they would do a weekly challenge. And so that was a really good thing that I was able to provide two types of pacing for the learner and allow that personalized learning opportunity for them to choose what capacity they were able to complete that course. I'm super proud of that, and I can't wait for everyone to view that and provide some feedback on that artifact submitted. In addition, the instructional technology assignments that are embedded within these artifacts, such as my podcast assignment, my animation assignment, my blended lesson plan assignment. All of those things are within my instructional technology course, and all the teachers were expected to complete these things before leaving that course, and it allowed these teachers to really think about how they can create their own educational resources versus finding them on YouTube or Teachers Pay Teachers. They were able to learn how to create their own with the best practices. So I'm super excited to share that with you all too. And I really had fun creating both of these courses. One of the ISTE standards that I would like to explore more so is the citizen component of the ISTE standards. I would love to dive deeper into the using the data to allow learners to create their own pathway of technology. Also, using the data to personalize their experiences. In addition, I would like to learn more about just digital citizenship and best practices in that as well. I feel that the information that I have is very surface level, and I would love to go into depth and provide the learners that I have with more insight on this standard. Thank you so much for reviewing my ISTE portfolio reflection. Once again, my name is Whitney Jones, and I look forward to joining this amazing community of educators that is pushing technology for the future of our children. Please consider me to become an ISTE certified educator. Thank you.